A full React dashboard, playable arcade game, both built by AI from just 2 prompts using Claude Fable 5, Anthropic most powerful model yet. But here is the catch, it costs twice as much their best everyday model. So is it actually twice as good? I gave it 2 real builds to find out. Quick context, Fable 5 is Anthropic most powerful model built for long complex coding tasks. It had a rocky start, launched in June, got pulled offline for about 3 weeks after security issues, triggered US export restriction and only came back on July 1st. Once that approval was lifted, now with tighter safeguards, it's also twice the price of Opus 4.8, their everyday model. And one thing worth knowing, if you want to try it right now through July 7th, you can use Fable 5 up to half your plan usage limit. After that, you keep using it through usage credits. So the real question isn't just is it good? Is it worth it twice the price? Let's build it and find out. First test, not a toy, a real app. I am asking Fable 5 for a full analytics dashboard using white React custom components, no chart libraries. First, it's installing project dependencies. Once dependency install is done, it will check for data layers and hooks. Its whole project, sidebar, top bar, KPI cards, and built-in charts and search system and sign-in flow, and every pieces has to be fit together without breaking. It's laying out the entire architecture before filling in the details. Most models lose the thread on something big. Let's see if this one holds together. You can see it's created icons and components with sidebars, top bar, JS. A full working multi-file app took around 15 minutes and roughly taken 20k tokens. Let me show the file working tree in the Visual Studio. You can see the solution. Each components got generated here. You can see the hooks here. Let's run the application. This is running on localhost, a real dev server, not a mockup. And the range filter actually re-renders every chart. Different page, different chart, all built from scratch, no chart library. Live search across pages, customer and orders. Notification works. Can see the revenue chart, recent transaction, all in one place. Can see the reports, revenue reports, customer reports, tax summary, all details, and see the orders here and the settings. Sign out works. I ran it, worked first try, 0 errors. That's the real story, holding an entire multi-file app together without losing track of itself. Second test, the complete opposite of the dashboard, where that was many files working together. This is one single HTML file. No frameworks, no libraries, no image files, no sound files. Think about what's actually going into this one file. Rendering loop, 3 different image type with their own movement patterns, a wave and difficulty system, a boss with health bar, and multiple attack patterns, power-ups, a screen shake and a star-filled background, and it has to run 60 frames a second without falling apart. So instead of dashboard problem, coordinating many files, this is the opposite challenge. A real-time game into one dense self-contained file that works completely offline. Let's see if it actually plays. It's validating and fixing at the same time. And that's it, done. One file, no node modules, no build folder, no dependencies to install, just one HTML file sitting right there. Let's play the game. Clear web 1. A boss with real attack patterns. This is the whole game, one file, boss callout, practical explosion, a screen shake. So worth twice the price? Honestly, only for hard stuff. A real multi-file app that ran first try with zero errors. That's genuinely impressive and worth it. When the task is big and messy. For quick prompts and everyday work, Opus 4.8 is still a smarter default, cheaper and faster. Route by task. And one practical note, through July 7th, you can use Fable 5 up to half your plan limit. After that, it's usage credit. So if you want to try it on your existing plan, this week's the easiest time. If this saved you some testing, subscribe. I build and break AI models every week. Tell me what you have Fable 5 build next. See you in the next one.